Hey, Geology. Um, this is your introduction to Summative Remote Learning Assignment 6 for um, Wednesday, April 15th, or Thursday, April 16th, depending on which class period you have. Couple quick announcements before we get started, or before I explain what assignment 6, the summative, actually is. First and foremost, assignment 5 is due today at 11:59 p.m. So for periods 3 and 5, that's Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. And for periods 8, that is Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Okay. Other note that this is a dual credit class, just a reminder. So I would say most of us are still working hard and completing the assignments, which is great. Um, but if you know somebody that maybe, has missed a couple of assignments, maybe you just want to tell them they need to jump back on this thing. It is a dual credit class, and your participation is required through Oakton. Just so you're aware, I'm not trying to scare anybody or anything like that, but that is just a reminder that, once again, it's a dual credit class, so you need to make sure that you're still working through the assignments and still completing everything. So that being said, Remote Learning Assignment 6 is a summative assignment. I cannot stress that enough. It is a summative assignment. It will go in the portal as a summative. It is real straightforward. It's a claim evidence reasoning. You're going to read the article. It's going to tell you a little bit about sea level rise or sea level fall, depending on, the article. I'm not going to give no spoilers here. Okay. But you got to read the article and then apply what you've learned or what you've seen from assignment 2, 3, 4, and 5. So like all those notes that you took from the videos about relative dating, law of superposition, law of horizontality, all that stuff, transgression, regression, all those things that you've done from the previous assignment, you're going to apply to this assignment. Use it to help you answer what would happen, okay, if sea level rose or sea level fell, okay? And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Try your best. Really think about the vocab that you want to incorporate to help you explain in your reasoning section why you would see what you would see. Okay, so really try to incorporate those vocab words to help explain why you would see what you see. I promise it's really straightforward. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, this assignment is due on Monday, April 20th for those of you in 3rd and 5th period, and it is due on the 21st for those of you in 8th period, okay, which is Thursday. So please, you have 5 days to knock this thing out, right, including the weekend. And I know it's kind of stinks to ask you to do that over the weekend, but I promise you could probably, if you've been doing the past assignments, you should be able to rock this thing out in a half hour, right? Also, if you just are jumping in now, okay, I strongly suggest going back and looking at the other assignments. I know you're going to have to do a little bit of catch-up work, but you really can't answer this question well if you haven't watched those videos and taken notes and gone through the vocab. In order for you to really make sense of this, you have to have seen those videos. So please, if you don't understand them, send me an email. If you haven't seen them, watch them. And you should do just fine on this question. All right? Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday or Tuesday.